Hi guys, this is Marvin here, your toy guy, and welcome to another toy review on Marvin's Wells. If you watch my latest video, then I'm sure you know what we're gonna do today. So I'm gonna show you guys how to take care of your vintage toys, specifically this DX Grade 5 by Maskman. So as you can see, I left out the Maskijet as my demonstration to you guys. So here's the Maskijet. So it's still in a good condition. So as you notice, there are some residues that cannot be seen through the naked eye. So there's nothing here, right? So what makes the discoloration is about the sunlight and the dust particles. So as for the sunlight, well, we can't do anything about that. But for some guys, they use this what do you call this? The retrobite technique, or they use some hydrogen peroxide, but it won't last anyways. So anyways, so first thing you do is we clean up. So all you're gonna do is just some cotton here, and then just make sure of water. So just put in a few drops of water, and then you just squeeze the remaining water out. So I just want to show this guys to you. In our toys, there are particles that can't be seen through the naked eye. Even how much you just wipe them up, it won't come up. So as you can see, the cotton is still clean. But let's check this out, guys. So you see. So what you do first is to rub it thoroughly, just like this one. So let's go to the edges here. You can see on the edges that it's kind of dark. So those are the dust particles. Just wipe them up here. This toy, I got this from Malaysia. So it depends about the environment that you are in. If it's that dusty, or well, unfortunately we're here in the Philippines, so dust is always here, especially when you're living just across the street with some more vehicles roaming around. Not gonna do anything about that, so we had to adjust, right? So just wipe it up, and so just like that. So as you can see, the cotton is starting to get a bit of a brownish compared to the clean one. So just keep rubbing it. So clean this one up. Just make sure that we remove all the excess dust particles in, so we're doing between the gaps too. So I keep doing it and probably get it clean. So that's part one of our cleaning tips. So that's it in part two. Now for the second part, we're gonna restore the, as you can see, against the light, it's not that glossy anymore. No matter how much you scrub it, it won't change. So what we do is we put cleaning agent here. I'm gonna show you guys later, but first I'm gonna show you how you administer it. So let's just put a small amount first. Go. So to restore this part, we just put in the agent here. So I just wipe it everything here, or rather put it on just a side so you guys can see the difference. So we just wipe it all up there. I'm gonna do the other side too, so we don't waste the agent here. Just brush it thoroughly, the sides. Just avoiding the stickers here. We want that to get damaged anyways. So just wait for a couple of seconds for it to start to solidify before we rub it. Then we get already used the other side of the cotton buds. Now we just wipe it up. So ready? Look at this, guys. So immediately you can hear some resistance going on there. So immediately you can see the difference already. So the other side, we haven't administered the agent yet. On the other side, you can see the color has been back to vibrant. So just keep scrubbing it, and there you go. That's the residue that I was talking about, that is hard to get rid even with water or some agent. You could use alcohol, but it would make the plastic really, or weaken the plastic, so we don't want that to happen with our vintage toys, right? So let's continue this, scrub this one up. Just continually gently rub it. Again, see the black part there, that's hard to remove. Okay, so our cotton buds here. Let's just clean this up patch there. So even against the light you can see the difference. This is the residue that has been stuck in the plastic due to age, that you can even try to scrape. Nope. But now look at the other side. It's been fully restored and it has attained its gloss. So it's pretty glossy compared to the other side. You can see it against the light, but the gloss effect is still there. So now let's try to do the other side. You just have to be very careful. You don't want the sticker to get damaged. So let's gently rub it. Alright, so that's why we're using this cotton buds, because it really easily glide to small portions. There you go. So see the residue here. See? So you can use this almost on any surface. You want to clean it up, or you want to restore the gloss on your vintage toys, and it won't make the plastic weak. So wait, so put this down. So what I've used is this it's called nano gloss here. Well, it's made of carnauba wax, you see, which is pretty gentle on plastics. So you can get this in auto supplies. I use this on my car, and it is good on paint. So yeah, as you can see, it also protects it from UV or harmful lights, which make the plastic or white plastic some discoloration. So what it does, it makes this pretty thin layer, and I believe so because I use it in my car, so it protects it from dust. So anyways guys, thanks for watching. and hope this video helps you. So see you guys. Ciao.